How to create a Temu seller account. To start selling on Temu, follow these tips or simple steps. Step number 1, create a seller account. So visit the Temu Seller Center, click on sign up and provide your email address and password. Now, after that, verify your email to activate your account. Step number 2, enter your business information. So provide details about your business such as business name, type of business, example, individual or company, the address, the tax identification number. Upload necessary documents like your ID or business license. Step number 3 is set up your store. Choose a unique store name that reflects your products, and after that add a clear logo or picture for your store, and after that write a brief description about your store and what you sell. Step number 4, list your products. So click on add products in your seller dashboard. For each product, provide a clear title, detailed description, high quality photos, price and stock quantity. So ensure all information is accurate to attract buyers. Step number 5, submit for approval. So after setting up your store and adding products, submit your store for review. Temu will check your information and products to ensure they meet their standards. Once approved, your store will be live and you can start selling. So this is how to create a Temu seller account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.